right, with this little test we'll show you, and this is coat hanger wire. I've got some pieces of packing and a couple other things in there. But the purpose of the test is to show you that not only will the valve shear a considerable amount of material due to the way the cartridge is shaped, the gate is tapered on a 45-degree angle and is fairly sharp, but it is hardened so it doesn't wear out. But the other thing is the back side of the valve, which would be the bottom of the valve when it's installed on the reject cleaner, is completely open. There's no cavity and no place for the material to plug up in the bottom and to keep jamming. So even if the gate closed onto something that it wouldn't shear, when it opens again, it's able to fall out the bottom of the valve and not stay jammed up into the cavity like many valves do. Then you can't operate the valve. We won't make the switches. So let's see what we got here. And I'm going to cycle the valve and see what happens here. Now that, my friend, is what kind of valve you need in the service. With flow, the valve will work even better because you have water wash going on, you have the swirling action of the material, and you can see what just happened. The valve not only sheared through the material, but there's nothing left at the bottom, and here it is sitting in the vertical position. So in the horizontal position, of course, it's going to perform even better. We have at least 400 to 500 of these in service at any given time in North America. What we're ready to do here is demonstrate the force of this valve and see how much of this material it will shear, and then afterwards we'll look at how much of the material was stayed in the bottom of the valve. And keep in mind that this valve is meant to be in position horizontally, not vertically, so that when you have flow and you have turbulence, the valve will clean itself out very, very well compared to what we're doing here. Okay, we'll go ahead. It goes that way. Now that's it. Keep going. As Richard Pryor used to say, now that's a test for your ass. All right. Look, Ivan, there ain't a shit in there. Aboard, we're just going to see what kind of damage it does, if any. So we'll check it out. Now that was a safety issue. We're sorry about that. But don't try this at home, folks. All right. But it shows you what kind of force this valve has. So, anyway, listen.